icy storm in Forthworth, Texas leads to scary scenes. At least 6 dead, dozens hurt in massive crash on icy Texas interstate.
Princess Gem. Welcome to Princess Gem channel. Subscribe, like, share, comment.
At the scene, and Nicole, this is truly a horrifying scene, and it stretches for miles with a lot of victims.
Absolutely, Karen. Fort Worth police this morning can confirm there are at least 5 people who have been killed in this crash, and they say at least 100 vehicles are involved. If you take a look here behind me, you can see emergency crews still working to untangle and tow away many of the vehicles that were involved in this crash. And I can tell you also, they say at least they have made contact with everyone still trapped in their vehicles, even though they haven't been able to rescue all of them. But it's the pictures and the video that truly tell the story and the impact of this tragedy, one that has never been seen amongst emergency officials who have worked for their agencies for more than 20 years. Vehicles sandwiched between tractor trailers, SUVs stacked on top of each other. This pileup is estimated to be at least a mile long here on 35W southbound. This stretch of interstate is described right now as a complete sheet of ice. When emergency crews got the call around 6 a.m. this morning, they had to use sand and ice melt just to get to the vehicles involved. We're told nearly 40 people have been transported to area hospitals, many of them in critical condition. Emergency crews say there is extreme heavy damage to many of the vehicles. They are twisted and entangled with each other, and just figuring out where the crash started will be a difficult task.
We are working through front to back, back to front, making sure that every driver, every person in every car is accounted for.
We train for this type of a scenario, but you never really expect it to happen.
And you're taking a look from above with Chopper 11. You can see just the true extent of this crash, the magnitude and how far it travels, how far it goes. It's just absolutely incredible. I can tell you also that with the rescues and the rescuing the trapped people and towing away all of the mangled vehicles, cleaning up this debris, it's something that will take some time. Officials say that you should definitely avoid this area, but if you don't have to go out today, they say stay inside because this investigation will also take some time. Karen.